for reference, you figure didn't really do much different than the last couple times I was here. Only real difference is the DA temperature. There's a little less humidity, well, a lot less humidity, and temperature is a little cooler. It's 80 something degrees as opposed to sitting around 100 degrees. To race a Livernois TrackHawk. Yeah, we know what happened last time we raced the Livernois TrackHawk, but we have high hopes since we're not running the same boost that we were running last time we raced one, so we're looking for a better outcome. That should be fun. We got a TrackHawk. We do. The Livernois TrackHawk. We do. Tell me about this thing.
It's fun. It's got a 403 stroker. The Livernois S1025 kit. Stage 3 porting on the head. Just gotta get the hook up. Spinning ain't winning. It was spinning.
No, it's not. Spun on the first pass against me, but what was the best pass you had so far?
10.46 was the very first pass that I ran tonight. The first time I ran.
Okay. So
we're hoping with the mile an hour, right conditions, this should be high nines.
You said this dynoed in at what?
At 950.
950 to the tire?
To the tire.
That's all four or just
all wheel? No, all wheel.
Woo!
So we'll see. Yeah.
And now it's just putting it down.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't really think it was going to spin that much. God damn.
I knew something had to happen because I looked up and I'm like, I don't know what happened.
Oh my God.
Heard it, and there was fucking that much smoke.
Yeah, I know.
So you mad?
Yeah, we're going to go again.
Better. Yeah, that's what's killing you.
Yeah, I'll get radios. I'll be down here next Friday.
All right, man. I'll be here.